Hi viewers, good day to all. I am Wasim. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about MS Excel interface. So without wasting time, let's start it.
Right now, I am in my laptop screen. This is our Excel interface. Let's start it. Title bar. Title bar. It is a horizontal bar located at the top of window. It displays the name of open document. Quick access toolbar. It contains the commands that are used most often, for example, redo, undo, and save. Quick access toolbar means that you can add or remove command as you like. Window control button. The left button is used to minimize the Excel program window. Middle button is used to maximize restore Excel program window. The right button is used to close the Excel program window. Tab list or menu bar. Tab contains group of Excel commands arranged based on commands functionality. For example, Home tab. Tab contains commonly used Excel commands like copy, paste, and format, find, replace, etc. Ribbon. Excel ribbon is a strip of buttons and icons. The button and icon in Excel ribbon are grouped into different tabs based on category of their functionalities. Name box. Name box normally display the address of active cell. On worksheet, you can also use the name box to quickly create a name range. Formula bar. It displays the contents of active cell and allow you to create view formula. Vertical scroller bar, which is used to view the data from top to bottom. Horizontal scroller bar, which is used to view the data from left to right. Status bar. Status bar is configured to display the things like sum, count, and average of currently selected cell. It also displays the information of current status of worksheet. Worksheet tab. Worksheet tab shows you in which worksheet you are working. This is the new worksheet button. When you click here, the new worksheet will be added. Column. It is a vertical series of cells. Column header assigned as alphabetic letters, whereas row is a horizontal series of cells. Row header assigned as numbers. Friends, do you know in one workbook how many sheets, columns, rows, cells are available? If you don't know, not to worry, Wasim is here. In one workbook, worksheets are 255, column 16,384, rows 1,048,576, whereas cells 17,179,869,184 cells are available in one workbook. This is the page view buttons. There are three buttons. First button, page break view. Middle button is for page layout, and the last button is for normal sheet. Zoom slider. This slider is used for zoom in and zoom out. So that's all about Excel interface. I hope you understand this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. I will meet you in next tutorial with new topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Wasim is signing.